Hello guys, what is happening? Welcome back to a brand new video, and today was okay, my phone didn't come in the morning, so, the world doesn't evolve around me. I was fine, happy, getting texts from relatives and being positive and all that stuff. That was fine, that was okay. Whenever I was eating my dinner, big van parked outside the house, my mum said, "Oh no, that's to cross the road." And it actually was, but my dad was right. They did come to our door, and even seeing the box of Apple products gets me excited. The box of the Galaxy S9. I'm not recording it on my phone because I want it here for comparison. It's okay, I guess. It's got S9, but this is just so much more wow, pizzazz, it has the box with I don't want to really use this picture for my wallpaper. I may change my mind, but anyway. Apple logo, iPhone. I know this has been done before, but it hasn't been done in this channel, therefore it hasn't been done before. So, just to prove, I got the 256 in gold. So, yeah, it actually says literally right down there. Anyway, let's... So, sliding it out. I think we get the design by Apple. Yeah, the design by Apple in California. We get that first. Not with the iPad, it's different, because with the iPad you get the iPad itself, from what I remember, first. Oh my god. Anyway, so, designed by Apple in California, you have the... I got 4 Apple stickers now, and you got this, which is basically telling you the features and stuff about it, and just inserts, and this is a SIM injecting tool, which I have a couple of those, so that's okay, but it is what it is. Me touching it for the first time, and I love the gold. I just love I just take it out, and I'm like, I love the gold. Okay, so you see that extra band at the bottom, and dual camera. So let's compare this to the S9. I think it's because I've got a case on it, which I will be keeping the case. But let's take this off. Now we are going to take a look at the accessories before we actually turn on the phone or anything like that. This seems to be a bit heavier in first impressions. If we put it side by side, I heard somewhere before that, yeah, the iPhone X is a bit smaller, but it's very hard to tell. Now, the iPhone X is supposedly, because it's not curved like the Galaxy S9, it's a bit, wider, from the side. And if you haven't seen my video already, the S9's a great phone. Haven't been having any problems, but the reason why I'm going towards this is because I have an iPad and a MacBook and all the other features and the design and everything. I made a whole video about it. I'll link it below if you want to know the whole reason as to why I'm going to this. You can compare the back of both of them. But anyway, yeah, I think for the gold version, the inserts at the bottom, the things at the bottom, are more obvious than the things at the bottom of here, because it blends in with the colour. But it isn't that massive, it's not like a super massive deal or anything like that. We're going to leave that on top of the box for now, and we're going to look at more of the accessories. So here are the lightning ear pods. We're not going to take these out yet because it's going to be super messy, and I'm sure you've seen it before. But this is literally just a wall plug. It doesn't have any thickness like the iPad charger. It's just a wall plug. It's good for a wall plug, but it's not good for charging my phone super fast. You know what I'm saying? So I'll be using a different charger. Either the wireless charger, because I've got loads of those, or the iPad charger. This is another lightning cable. I have one from my iPad. They are a bit small, but And I think that is it. I'm actually going to open this first. So this is what else I got. A screen protector and a case, because you know the phone's like £1,000, so that wouldn't hurt to get that. And it also comes with a 12-volt car charger. I don't drive yet, but whenever I do, I'm sure that'll be fine, or whatever the case may be. The screen protector, and you got the case. So just a basic, regular, flexible case. But for now, that's okay. And we'll see what it's like once we actually get it on. Plus we have a film screen protector, which again for now is grand. Before we put this on or do anything with it, this is the 10, but it should be fine for the 10s. I hope I'm doing this right for you. Done this with the S9 as well. And I just spoke over that, I'm sorry, but what I was saying was I hope I done that well for you, because I done that in the S9 as well, so I should know how to. But embracing that notch, if you look at it from down here without it being on, you can see. Let's power it on. I'm not going to set it up in the video. I'm going to turn the video off and then set it up, but just so you can have a rough idea of the screen to body ratio. So you get that Apple logo. So the iPhone is definitely a bit smaller, I can tell now, than the S9, but it is a bit wider, as in the girth. Wow. The S9, the way that they do it is they have a bezel at the top and bottom, whereas this just has a notch in it. The bottom bezel is very minimal. But this is just the first impressions, and so far, oh my, I'm in for a treat. Not much else I've got to say except staring at the screen, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, no bashing the S9, it's a good phone, but it's just that for my ecosystem with the iPad that I'm recording on and my Mac, this would make more sense. Okay, it actually has tap to wake automatically enabled, which I'm going to keep. See, look. So instead of having an always on display, which is great, say you just want to, oh, it's got raise to wake as well, I think. Yeah, raise to wake works, like you raise it and it works. So I'm just trying to, I don't think I might have raise to wake, might have that, or tap to wake, both works flawlessly. Just set it down. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you all in the next one. Peace, guys.
Why can't we be friends? 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 I seen you roaring for a long, long time, yeah. I remember too when you drank my wine. Why can't we be friends? Why can't we be friends? Why can't we be friends? Why can't we be friends?
Da-da-da. Yeah.